Global warming is defined as an increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. This trend began in the middle of the 20th century and is one of the major environmental concerns of scientists and governmental officials worldwide. The changes in temperature result mostly from the effect of increased concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Free trade is an economic policy under which the government does not interfere with trade. No tariffs are applied to imports or exports, and people are allowed to trade goods and services as they please. Supply and demand dictates the prices for which goods and services sell and are the only factors that determine how resources are allocated in society. In the photo, the wildcat's huge paws are clamped onto the side of the white safari jeep in which Chapel was a passenger. Almost as tall as the jeep on her hind legs, she appears to be forcing her muzzle into the back window. The insults and criticism were not unexpected. What was surprising was people's enthusiasm about the competition. Thousands have participated in the discussion. This finding is understandable in certain cases in spite of its high significance. That is because energy efficiency of building operation just represents a single aspect of sustainability. Calcium plays an extremely important role in the production of plant tissues and enables plants to grow better. It is responsible for keeping the cell walls of plants together. It is also crucial in activating signals that coordinate certain cellular activities. Calcium also increases the resistance to external attacks and increases the feed value of forage crops to livestock. Who do you think is the most glamorous person? A biotechnologist who led his company in international research, an ordinary welder who gained international fame through his work, or a photographer complimented widely for a series of photos? The numbers on U.S. student debt, after all, are truly the average 2015 U.S. university graduate who took out loans to help pay for tuition enters the workforce with $35,000 in student debt. Public transportation plays a pivotal role in facilitating urban mobility. It reduces congestion by transporting a larger number of people in a single vehicle, compared to private cars. This efficiency aids in reducing travel time, enhancing productivity, and improving the overall quality of life for citizens. The fundamental difference between organic and inorganic fertilizer is their source. Organic fertilizers are derived from living things including plants, animals and manures, while inorganic are synthetically derived chemicals plus minerals from the earth. The solar system extends from the Sun, goes past the 4 inner planets, through the asteroid belt to the 4 gas giants and onto the disc-shaped Kuiper belt and far beyond to the teardrop-shaped heliopause. Our capacity to function is improved by being in good health. Maintaining good health enables us to fend off illnesses and strengthen our bodies. Hygiene refers to routine actions we take to maintain our health. We are shielded from illnesses by these